Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to change voicemail language on Android and explain everything you need to know about it. This video will guide you step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the phone app on your Android device and tap the keypad to bring up the dial pad. Step 2. Type your own phone number or dial your voicemail number, then tap the call button to connect to your voicemail service. Step 3. When prompted, enter your voicemail password. Step 4. Follow the voice prompts from your carrier to enter the voicemail settings menu, where you can manage your voicemail preferences. Method 2. Step 1. Open the phone app on your Android device and tap the 3 lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 2. Tap on settings from the menu. This is where call and voicemail options are organized for you to manage. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on voicemail to access all voicemail related settings available on your phone. Step 4. Tap on advanced settings to see more options like voicemail service, carrier information, and voicemail number. Step 5. Change your voicemail settings or greeting from this section, then exit the menu once you have made all your changes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.